Struggle for Empire, 1525 to 1555 Medieval History of India. Introduction. This period marked the foundation of the Mughal Empire in India, shaping the political and cultural landscape. Key players: Babur, Humayun, Sher Shah Suri, and Afghan nobles. This period is transition between the decline of the Delhi Sultanate, Lodi dynasty, to the rise of the Mughal dynasty. 1. Babur's conquest, 1525 to 1530. First Battle of Panipat, 1526. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, marking the end of the Delhi Sultanate and establishing Mughal rule in India. First use of gunpowder and advanced artillery in Indian warfare, giving Babur a strategic edge. Battle of Khanwa, 1527. Babur faced the combined forces of Rajput king Rana Sanga and his allies. Despite being outnumbered, Babur's disciplined troops and artillery ensured victory. Significance: eliminated Rajput resistance, consolidating Mughal power in northern India. Battle of Ghagra, 1529. Babur defeated Afghan chieftains and remnants of Lodi forces along the Ganges. Marked the complete suppression of Afghan threats in North India. 2. Humayun's early reign, 1530 to 1540. Challenges faced: Humayun inherited a fragile empire surrounded by enemies, including Rajputs and Afghans. His brothers, Kamran, Askari, and Hindal, often rebelled, weakening Mughal unity. Battle of Chausa, 1539. Sher Shah Suri's surprise attack routed Humayun's army. Humayun barely escaped with his life, a major blow to Mughal prestige. Battle of Kannauj, 1540. Sher Shah Suri decisively defeated Humayun, forcing him into exile. Mughals lost control of India. Sher Shah established the Suri dynasty. 3. Sher Shah Suri's rule, 1540 to 1545. Administrative reforms: introduced a centralized land revenue system, classifying land based on fertility and productivity. Standardized weights and measures to facilitate trade. Constructed the Grand Trunk Road connecting Bengal to Punjab, improving communication and trade. Military strategies: maintained a disciplined and well-trained army. Fortified strategic locations to ensure control over key regions. Legacy: though his rule was short-lived, Sher Shah's reforms influenced future Mughal policies. He is remembered as one of India's greatest administrators. 4. Humayun's return, 1555. Exile in Persia, 1540 to 1555. Humayun sought refuge in Persia and gained support from Shah Tahmasp I. With Persian military assistance, he rebuilt his army and recaptured Kabul and Kandahar. Battle of Sahand, 1555. Humayun defeated Sikandar Suri, reclaiming Delhi and Agra. Restored Mughal authority in India, though briefly, as he died in 1556. 5. Impact of the struggle for empire. Consolidation of Mughal power laid the foundation for Akbar's reign. Administrative innovations by Sher Shah influenced Mughal governance. Cultural synthesis of Persian and Indian traditions flourished during this period. Conclusion: this 30-year struggle highlighted the volatility of medieval Indian politics. Despite setbacks, the Mughal dynasty emerged resilient and ready for expansion. The struggle for empire between 1525 and 1555 was not merely a contest for dominance but a defining era that reshaped India's political and cultural heritage.